Welcome to my how-to guide on how to clean the drain filter on a Hotpoint Aqualtis washing machine. So you'll actually locate it behind a flap at the bottom. Right, so the flap's here, so we need to remove the flap. To do so, get yourself a flat-bladed screwdriver, this one will do. Run it along, start from one end, run it along, and every time it goes in, push down, pull forward slightly, run it along. Push in, pull forward, and finally from this side, run it along, push in, push down. And now we can actually remove it. So we're going to grab either side and just lift away. And as we notice, we've got 3 tabs on it, so keep that in mind. Now, what we're going to do is get a towel. You don't need a towel as such, depending what kind of flooring you're on. This is carpet, but underneath is solid concrete, so doesn't necessarily affect me, but and you want to get yourself something very, very shallow, like a baking tray. In fact, that's why I don't really. In fact, let's get rid of the towel because we'll keep it with you. As you can see, there's barely any room. Right, so now we're down low. So to remove the filter, we're going to turn this clockwise. It's a bit tough. It's a bit tough because previously we've had limescale. Now, as you can notice, this is pretty clean and hardly anything in it, and that's because it's actually already been removed once and cleaned. You have to excuse my cold for this, but anyway. So as you notice, we've got a bit of limescale build-up here, and we've got some grime there. So we're just going to use the toothbrush, get this clot out. Use the water to come out. Now, as you can notice, it's pretty clear. Actually, it got removed about 10 cycles ago, and it's been done about 5 or 10 cycles. Obviously, nothing's come out since. Anything that has come out may have gone through the system. It is possible. Right, use that to clean these channels here. So what this is doing is making sure that when we put this back in, now there's 2 channels, there's one there and there's one opposite it at the top here, so give that a clean as well. Obviously you can't actually see, so a bit of guesswork will help. So this one's a bit different to normal, because normally I'll just show you how to clean the actual filter. In fact, we're just going to stick that round there. Just make sure there's nothing down there. I don't think there is. Now, with built-up limescale, you need to use descaler. However, during the wash, if you use descaler in your washing machine, it will happily go around the entire tub and the heater and all of that. And don't get me wrong, it will actually get rid of some of that limescale, but it's unlikely to get rid of all that limescale due to it actually being down there. Yeah, limescale detergent just simply doesn't get down here when you're actually doing a maintenance cycle. Due to modern design, it actually holds the detergent within the actual drum. Anyway, so we're going to put the filter back now. When we put the filter back, we've got nothing there and a bit of a groove there. So all you want to do is line this sort of with these grooves here, and just push in. It's not the best system, but it does work. Then twist it clockwise to lock it. You'll just keep going until it actually stops turning. And it will come somewhere near parallel. That's now fitted back in properly now. Right, so we're going to get our kick plate. Here we go. And we've got 3 holes here. We've also got 3 lugs. You want to rest these lugs inside these holes first, so it creates some kind of like hinge. There we go. Now push up, and it should click into place. That side, oh, and this side. And that's it. That is your how-to guide on how to clean the filter on the Hotpoint Aqualtis Washing Machine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to use on your own Hotpoint Aqualtis at home. Thank you for watching.